So there are types of distributions. We're going to talk about distributing data, how it's going to spread out. If you were to graph it all out like a histogram or bar graph. There's a rectangular distribution. So everything's the same height. These are all pictures from the book. The next is the J-shaped distribution. This is a J-shaped. This is bimodal, means you have two different peaks. We talked about that before, being bimodal. This next one is skewed to the right. Data's leaning towards this direction, or it's more spread out to the right. This is more spread out to the left. Skew to the right, skew to the left. So in skewed to the right, your mode is over here, and the mean is to the right of that as well as your median. Skewed to the left, your mode is here, and to the left of that would be your mean and a median. Okay, the next one is the normal distribution. This is a curve where it's small on the outsides and works up to be peak on the inside. So you get a curve like that. It's called a bell curve. Okay, so properties of a normal distribution. The graph of a normal distribution is called the normal curve. The normal curve is bell-shaped and symmetric about the mean. In a normal distribution, the mean, median, and mode all have the same value and all occur at the center of the distribution. Now, the empirical rule says that 68% of all the data lie within one standard deviation of the mean in both directions. So, within one standard deviation, 68%. Within two standard deviations, 95% of the data. And within three standard deviations, 99.7% of the data. We talk about IQs. 100 is the mean IQ. If you go out three standard deviations, the standard deviation is 15. So if you go out three standard deviations to 145, so it's 115, 130, 145. From 145 above, that's the genius range. So we're talking about a very small percentage of the people.